Right, so this is a video of an unboxing video of unpackaging. This is a 1 penny watch. I'll insert a picture of the link from Amazon. I bought this. It cost me 1p for the actual watch and then £1.99 for delivery, so £2 in total. I think it's from China. Took about 2 weeks to get here. So let's see what it looks like. Very flimsy packaging. Bit of sellotape. So it's Oukeski, Oukeski in China. Little pouch. Actually feels quite nice quality. Got the wrapper all around the strap. It's well protected, no scratches or anything. So this watch was literally 1p, 1 penny. There we go, so that's all the wrapper off. No scratches or anything on the screen. It's got a nice bit of weight to it. Looks nice quality. Clasp pops open. Needs a couple of links taken out. Nice watch. Very nice watch. Once I get the links removed. Very classy watch, very smart. 1p watch. Very nice. Press those to release. Nice solid clasp. That's good. Really smart, really nice watch. Got, pull that out, adjust the time. Saying, I don't think these buttons work. I don't think any of the back buttons work, but got another little protected layer there. Take that off. So yeah, stainless steel, water resistant. Very nice watch. 1 penny. 1 penny watch. Alright, there you go. Let me know in the comment section below what you think.